In this GoProHost review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to host unlimited websites and domains on fast cloud servers for a very low one-time price. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out GoHost Pro, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing, real quick, I just want to show you my bonus page. You're going to be getting all these special bonuses if you pick this up through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales pitch here together. It says smart marketers already saved their thousands of dollars by moving their site to this. Host unlimited websites and domains on super fast cloud servers for 100 years at an unbeatable price. One-time record low price. Stop throwing your hard-earned money on expensive hosting companies. Switch to GoProHost with no monthly fee. So it's unlimited hosting, host unlimited websites and domains, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL encryption. You can create your own professional email accounts with it. One-click WordPress integration, unlimited domains and subdomains, 100% cloud-based, automated daily backup, all for a one-time price, a ridiculously low one-time price for this. You can see here that they host their businesses on here. I don't know what these screenshots really have anything to do with this, but they are using it for there. Now, if you were going to spend money on other platforms like Bluehost, could cost you $4,500 over 5 years, GoDaddy $5,000, HostGator $6,000. So I mean, hosting costs a lot of money, is what we're trying to say here. I've actually spent personally thousands of dollars on hosting myself. You log in, you set up your hosting here with this, and then enjoy sales and traffic. I don't know about enjoying sales and traffic. That really doesn't have anything to do with this. It would, if I was going to change this, I would say enjoy really cheap hosting is what you would put there for that. So, but this is a make money online type of sales page here. So what else do you expect with that? So let's go down the bottom here. If you purchase, you're going to get access to this, access to the hosting, to the SSLs, to the unlimited bandwidth, all that for a really low price. And here's the thing I want to show you. So when you get to this sales page, move your mouse away and you can get a discount. You can get even more of a discount. Now, I make less as an affiliate for showing you this, but I want you to get the lowest price. I want you to come back to me again. So when you buy other stuff, so just make sure that if you like that, give me a like. If you like that, I show you that, and I really appreciate that. What we're going to do now is I'm going to take you over, show you a quick demo, and then I'll be back to show you the back end area, the OTOs, and how you can get discounts on the OTOs too. on the demo. Here's the backend area. It's really easy to go through. Of course, they have tutorials and everything on how to use all this, and they have a support desk. So if you have any, you need any help, they can help you as well. But there are upgrades. So the first one, this is unlock malware protection, DDoS protection, powerful SSD storage, and weekly backup feature. So you can unlock all this right here. It says for a low one-time price, but what you can do here, this is what I want you to do. Click the no thanks button. Click it, click it, click it. And what happens is you can get a $10 off discount off this. So you can get even more, you can get the same thing for a discounted price. So make sure you do that. I always want you to get the lowest price on these. Next one here is now host e-commerce, Android, PHP products, heavy applications, etc. Normally this is 77, but if you do my little trick here, click on no thanks. It's going to bring you over here. You can get a $30 discount off of it. So do that as well. Next one here. It says you can sell GoProHost as you're hosting and charge reoccurring from your customers. You can actually turn this into a business and sell hosting. You get agency rights to 250 accounts for $197 or 500 accounts for $297. But what do you think? Do you think there's maybe a downsell on this? Let's check. Let's see if there's a little bit of a downsell. Here's $100 off of this. So instead of paying all that, you can get a $100 discount on that. So it's a pretty cool discount for being able to sell this. Next one here is what if you can migrate all your websites from your sole servers to our Blazing Fast servers by our experts. So if you want them to do it for you, normally 97, click that little no thanks button here. And let's bring that price 10 bucks off. So it gives you 10 bucks off that. And the last one, grab exclusive unlimited reseller license and make up to $270 per visitor. So you can resell this to them and make the money like that. But normally 97. But if we do that, we get 30 bucks off. So there you go. So anyways, all these different OTOs are completely optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and which ones you don't. So what do I like about GoHost Pro and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, anytime there's a one-time fee and it's really low for something like this, I always am a little bit not believing that it's going to be there forever. So what I would tell you that if you're going to be purchasing something like this, just know that you should have backups of your website, just in case someday, who knows, they go down. Like you always want to back up your stuff. So just make sure you have a backup of all your websites and keep it on your computer so that you'll be safe in case the unexpected happens someday. What do I like about this? Anyone that is like new online, anyone who doesn't have a lot of money to pay monthly for hosting, if you're looking for a cheap hosting program and you don't want to pay monthly for it, you're on a budget, then definitely this could be a way of hosting your websites and not paying a ton of money. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to check out GoHost Pro, click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.